Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Brother HL-L2366DW printer driver download and installation. So open any browsers to Google search box to like that and then click to first link support.brother.com, this official website, and then click on it. Then select the Windows and Windows 11 and then click to OK. This is full driver and software and this is printer driver and click on it. Scroll down, then click agree to download. After that it will start. You can see, and it is completed. Click on this locations where it is downloaded, it will open this. Okay, in the download options, then right click to select, right click to open. After that it create the folder on same locations. So this is your printer driver, so close it. Now this is the installations process. Click to start, then click on setting, then click printer and device. Now click to printer and scanner, then click to add device. After the add device it will show the manual options, so click on it, select the last, click the next, then click to have disk, then click to browse, then HL2366, select this file, then open, then next. Now find out the printer 2366, so it will show in this series, then select, then next. Now before the installations you need to connect the printer to your desktop and your laptop via printer USB cable, and then now the install. Before the printing, click to next, and finish. Before the printing you have to restart your printer also and your system also, and then you can print. Okay, and if you are getting any issue, so please comment me, I will support you.